Okay, I promised you a fast one. So let's make some Italian sausage peppers over rice. I got that roasted peppers and onions that were in the freezer. I'm going to use that up. There's not a whole lot of that left. I got about a half a jar of some spaghetti sauce that was left over. We'll use that up. Can of diced tomatoes. There's ain't nothing gourmet about this, but it's going to be good, let me tell you. Alright, first thing we want to do, let's get some rice going. Rice, I'm using this Basmati rice. It's 2 to 1, so you got 1 cup of rice, or half a cup of rice, and 1 cup of water. That'll be enough for 2 people. You could double that if you wanted to have plenty of rice. This is going to be enough for 2 people, definitely. Alright, the way rice works, bring it to a boil, turn it down low, and get it out of the way. This stuff only takes about 10 minutes. Okay, I had some Italian sausages, put those in the freezer, or in the oven. They've been in there for about 20 minutes or so, 15-20 minutes. These guys are ready to go. So, well, this is coming to a boil over here. We're going to go ahead and cut these up and get these in the pan. But it's a quick weeknight meal, and you just want to get home and eat, cook. Okay, these guys are going to be hot. Nice, huh? I like Italian sausage. And since they were in the oven, they're cooked already. The peppers are cooked already. They were the roasted peppers, roasted onions. It's not like we're going to spend a whole lot of time. Woo, that's very hot. Waiting for stuff to cook down and waiting for the onions to saute and the peppers and all that. Okay, this is coming to a boil over here, ain't it? Sorry. I'm going to turn that down on low. I'm going to get some salt and pepper in there. Got to have a little bit of seasoning in it, right? Get a cover on it. I'm going to get this out of the way. Let's get this other guy going. Get that skillet right there going. These guys are good. I'm going to go ahead and get them right in the pan. I'll use that foil. It's all about the cleanup. Now I just got a little bit of light cleaning instead of scrubbing. Alright. Plenty of fat in that. I'll dump them peppers right in there. Put whatever sauce or seasonings you want in there. Put a little bit of olive oil because I just like the little bit of olive oil in there, even though there's plenty of oil. Get some salt in there, some pepper in there. I'm going to give this a stir. Rice is back there cooking nicely. Look at this, we're halfway there. It's only been a few minutes, right? Get this out of the way, we don't need that anymore. All right, I'm going to throw a can of tomatoes in there. That's just a can of unsalted tomatoes, diced tomatoes. Yeah, it's looking good already, right? This is just a real quick weeknight one. And you know you're not going to have a lot of time to get home. Pull those sausages out of your freezer. Here's the tomato sauce. I'm going to put about a cup in here. We don't need much more than that. There we have it. We'll let this reduce down for a few minutes. Got a couple pieces of bread around. Bread would be good. Let me check the rice back here. Rice has got about 3 or 4 more minutes. That basmati rice cooks so fast. White rice takes a little while. Brown rice, I cook that stuff for days and it's still hard and dry. So whatever rice you got is working. That's coming to a nice boil. What's that? Look at him, he took the plate out already. You think he's going to eat. I don't have any bread. I could whip out a hot dog bun and put some butter on it, but hey, it's bread, right? That's cooking down nicely. All right, we're in real time here. That's been on low, medium. Let's look at this. Look at that. It's almost done. That's almost done. This would be good over pasta too. So the Italian sausages, like I cooked them the last time, I laid them out, they were thawed out, I poked holes in them with a fork so they cook a little faster. It let some of the steam out also. And I think those were in, 15 minutes. But if you're going to put them into a sauce like this, where's my hand? There it is. If you're going to put them in a sauce like this, they're going to cook some more anyway. So 15 minutes is plenty of time in the oven. And that's where you're getting all your other stuff together. Okay, I'm supposed to do a shameless plug. Right up here somewhere is a subscribe button. Stuff like this, no one's going to subscribe anyway, but that's fine because you're just trying to eat. Okay, let's see what we got here. You hear that? Rice is done. Usually, well, not usually, always. When it's done, take the lid off it and let it sit for a second and let it steam. Don't stir it, don't do anything to it. I shouldn't have stirred that. This is cooking down nicely. The tomatoes are cooking. Get this out of the way. Here we have it. Italian sausage, peppers, onions. Put in a can of diced tomatoes in there. I use unsalted pretty much on everything. You can add all the salt you want to it later. The tomato sauce. Could have used chunky tomato sauce. I like that chunky sauce. That's cooked down nice. Okay. Now this is set for a while. Let's dry it out a little bit. Now we can fluff it up. Okay. So if that was white rice, that would have took 30-40 minutes. If it was brown rice, it would have took an hour or two. I'm going to put it all on there just because it'll look good in the picture. Turn this guy off. Reduce down nicely, right? So plenty of sauce. Look at that. A little extra gravy. And we'll put some of this instant Parmesan cheese. Not bad, huh? Italian sausage and peppers. White rice. Saying that rice is completely cooked. Yeah, there's a quick one.